at the things that I should. And I know that it costs nothing to believe, but twice as much to be understood. And I say, yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Will you tell me that the things you've done were bad? Or will you tell me they were never a crime? Every time I try to tell you what I think of you, you tell me that I'm wasting my time. So I say, yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Well, she tells me everything she owns is hers, when everything she owns is really his. I am sure that everything I own is mine, but sometimes I forget where it is. But I say, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Everybody you know says, yeah, 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 yeah. All the things I lost have ended up together, so I'll use them in my hour of need. For now I'm just afraid to rock the boat, so I'll go